Channing, what's your name?
And that's Daisy,
Stacy. What's your baby's name?
Baby, Dada,
Baby Stella. And what's your other baby's name?
no, just a, ah,
What do you have?
Tita,
Sticker? Yeah.
Tita, Tita,
What do you say after you pray?
Pray,
You pray and you say amen.
Amen,
Amen, sister.
Amen, Tita,
What's your sister's name?
Papa,
Harper. And what's your other sister's name?
Everybody,
Okay. And what's your daddy's name?
Mount,
Mark. What's your mommy's? Yeah, what's mommy's name?
Daisy,
What's your name?
Mama, Daisy,
No, what's your name?
Daisy,
What's your name?
Daisy,
Your name's not Stacy. Your name's Channing.
oh, David,
Channing. What's your last name? Say Channing what?
Joe's,
Channing Gross. Can you tell everybody hi?
hi,
Say hello, people.
and David,
Say bye, people.
bye,
Say over and out.
no.